Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Merlita L. Kitoriano from Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. The ages is 17, 13, and 6 years old. I am the eldest of the family. I have 1 sister and 2 brothers. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I am a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for Finnish contract. I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple and 3 children. The ages is 10, 5, and 3 years old. My primary duty is taking care of their children and household chores such as washing clothes, cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and car washing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am securing the safety of their children. When the baby is sick, I check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir.
What kind of surgery did you have?
I undergo the cesarean section when I'm giving birth. Only 1 and 3 inches.
How many years ago?
13 years, sir.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
My love for my family drives me to work abroad to provide their needs, and I give them a better future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and reminds myself to finish my job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually wake up 5 around a.m. and I am asleep 10 around p.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I am more patient and calmer with dealing with them.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I extend if I am...
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. If you're giving me a chance to work with you, I promise to fulfill my responsibilities and duties to finish my contract. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. Thank you and have a nice day.